My friends, it's Coach Vigue. What's the perfect duration for a yoga stretch workout for you? Is it 10 minutes or 15 minutes? Let me know in the comments below. Write either 10 or 15. Whichever one gets the most votes in 24 hours, I will film that next time. All right, body weight only. Modify as needed. Always use control. Welcome, my friends. We're gonna make a massive difference. Have the best day ever. Let's begin with an active mermaid or merman. We're gonna take the hands behind us. Wiggle the toes, because I like to wiggle the toes. And we're gonna drop the legs side to side. We're gonna exhale to the side. Inhale, center. Exhale, feel that twist. Upper body's gonna go a little bit this way. The shoulder's gonna go back. So when the legs drop to the right, the left shoulder draws back a little bit. As we wake up the lower back, give the back some blood flow, some oxygen. Side to side. If you want a little bit more, you can go into the full mermaid or merman. So we bring them together and then drop. You can also reach this arm through. We're all about lengthening, expanding, blood flow, letting this body be what it was made to be, what it's created to be. Bendy, pliable, strong, flexible. Very capable. There we are. Stretch. Grass clippings everywhere. I was just at the beach for a few days. I have sand everywhere, and now I have grass clippings everywhere. They do complement each other nicely, don't they? Extend. Someday I'll bathe. I'm just kidding. I'm very clean. I smell like sweat, sunscreen, and grass clippings. All right, reach, 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 my friends. Stretch. We're getting a twist in here. Let's go once more each side. It finally quieted down here. There was leaf blowers in every part of this neighborhood right here. And then they were gone. It was a miracle. Stretch. Flowing right into the next one, we have a hurdle stretch with a side bend. Let's bring the left foot forward, bring the right foot to the center, or into the inside of the leg rather. That's what I meant. We're gonna turn, we're up and over this leg, bend it to modify. Reach into that hurdle stretch. This is active, this is dynamic, so we're always moving. Inhale, rise up, place the hand back here. We lift this arm up, or you can also press all the way up, activating the glutes and the low back into a dynamic side bend. Gently come back down and lengthen. There we are. Up and over, reach. All right, let's do 4 more, each one. Take your time, let that flow happen, let the body energize and wake up, building mobility, building flexibility, building ability. It's always more ability. The more you can do, the better you can perform things, the better you can move, compete, whatever. There's the stretch. Nice breeze. One more time each side. Then of course we'll switch to the other side for balance, always balance. All right, bring it down. Switch the legs, quick shake out if you like. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your legs. Okay. 6 times. Hinging. And then side bend. Hand down, lift, or stay with your tush on the mat. Get some nice adjustments when I do that. All the way down the back, into the lats. Muscles moving around, going back to where they need to go. Four more times each one. Exhale. Draw the toe towards you. And side bend. There's that stretch. Oh. I have lost count. I get so lost in these stretches. Forgive me. Let's do 2 more, each one. It might be a little extra, but so be it. It's just more. We get to do more. And it surprises me. And now side bend one more time. Lovely, lovely. Shake out the arms, shake out the legs. We're gonna go into a downward facing dog, a scorpion down dog, and that's gonna flow into a pigeon slide. So bring it to down dog. Look at all that beautiful grass. Fingers open wide, feet hip width, hands shoulder width. We'll do 5 on each side. Gonna bring the right leg up, bend the knee, open as much as you can. There's a scorpion. Bring the right leg forward, open up the hip. Now we're gonna take the hands down and press into the palms, drop the shoulders and slide your left leg back. Really giving a lot of attention and love to your hip flexor. So you stretch it back. Dropping the shoulders. I don't want any creeping shoulders here. It just tenses everything up. Now step back to down dog and other side. So here's 2. We're going to 10, 5 each side. I'll work on that counting. Ow, there's a burr right in my knee. Press, drop the shoulders. Little wiggle, always does it. That's some movement in there. Here's 3, right leg. Scorpion. Adding a little speed, but keep the form. Step back, 4. Pigeon. Slide. Oh no. They found me. I don't know how, but they found me. Step back, 5. Pigeon. Press. All right, my friends, we're going to 6. Equal time on each side. Pigeon. Seven. Press. Good. Maybe the hands are going further forward. Am I moving this way? I always am. 8. Left leg, open. Mighty scorpion, open the hip, the abs. Pigeon. Okay. 2 more. 2 more. Move the mat just for a moment. Okay. Pigeon. Getting a nice shoulder workout, arm workout, shoulders away from the ears. One more time. Really adding a full body component here, the whole body working as one. Build stronger connection between the mind and the body. Step back to down dog for just a moment, shake out the legs. We're gonna finish on our feet. Let's bring the feet forward. Come on up. These are called good mornings. Good morning, how are you? Bring the feet wide. Make sure you can see me, I'm sure you can. Point the toes forward, hands on the hips. Now, I warn you, I'm gonna do a little shimmy here, because I'm your boogeyman. That's what I am. Good morning. Here's a side view. Hands on the hips, you're hinging from your waist, right here. Keeping your back straight, tuck the chin a little bit, crown of the head reaching forward. We come down halfway, stretching, exploding all along the posterior part of the legs, in the glutes, working the core. Now inhale, come back up tall, take those shoulders back, shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. 4 more. Good morning. I say it all the time to my son. Good morning, how are you? Inhale, rise up, feel that nice strength. Each time you come up, you're a little taller, shoulders away from the ears, legs are lengthened, little softness in the knees. 3 more. Drei Gläser. Long spine. Take your time. Take your time. I want to rush through it. We'll miss all the key moments. Our body will not get the opportunity to absorb the entire range of motion, the entire flow. 2 more. Up. The long care, they're coming. They're storming the beaches. We're just about done, so woo! Last one, we're gonna bring it here, hold, or bring the arms forward. 3 breaths. Stabilize the core. Stabilize the legs. Now place either hand down to the mat or the ground and lift the other arm up into a glorious twist. Other side. Reaching, reaching, reaching. Let's do it 2 more times each side. And down, hand further across. Turning those sides into powerful parts of the body. A lot of rotation, a lot of rotational strength and flexibility. And once more. And diving down, take it side to side. Now bring the feet hip width apart. Soften the knees, let's rise up. Tuck the chin, build that spine, stack it. All the way up, all the way up. Shoulders come back and down. The head comes up, look around, check your surroundings. A few shoulder rolls right here. I like to do my little leg movement. Take the leg up, touch, what am I saying? You bring up the right leg, take your left hand across, touch the knee. I get lost sometimes in the flow, and then I forget, oh, I should probably tell everyone what we're doing. But the flow takes over sometimes. It's so natural, it's so powerful, it's intoxicating. 2 more times each side. Nice twist, working some balance. You like to end on your feet a lot too. Boom. Because that's where you're going to spend a lot of the day. All right, my friends, this is about 10 minutes. Which do you prefer, a 10-minute yoga flow with me or a 15-minute yoga flow with me? Let me know in the comments below. Share this videos with those who need it. Really helps me out a lot. Make sure you click that like button as well. That helps me immensely. My friends, it is always a pleasure. Remember, Coach Vigue will see you around. Well, hello again, my friend. I wanted to thank you for training with me today by offering you a free, exclusive 30-minute yoga video from the Sean Vigue Fitness app. All you need to do to get this workout is to click the first link in the comment section below, and boom, that workout is all yours. Go get it right now.